1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. A couple of key concepts. You want to keep your arms loose. You don't want to be rigid. You don't want to be clunky. You really also want to try and generate a whip motion in your movements, okay? So when you're doing movements like this, this is an axing hand. You really want to sit down, carry the arm with you. Your arms are ropes, your hands are rocks, and the energy, actually, you don't want to think that your arms start at the shoulders. You want to think that your arms start here. Go all the way through the back and carry through the body. Okay? So that's the first movement, the axing hand. Pi, Yao San. This is like a swiping motion, right? It's like a whacking, swiping motion. You can see it really clearly when you're doing weapons work, because empty hand and weapons work should be exactly related. The Pi movement is this. Here, this is axing down. This is the swiping motion. Here, if you're practicing by itself, you can do this. My hips, and then the weapon goes. Hips, weapon, hips, weapon. When I'm doing it with my hands, right, it's like this. I come down, and then I turn. So I'm here, and then I swipe. Hips, and then the arm, right? So that when you're striking, right, when you're here, this is the kind of force you want in that movement. So the combo is Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai. A couple of things you need to keep in mind when you're working with the target here. What are you hitting? The left side, right? The left side or the right side. Here's the temple. Here's the center, more towards the knee, a low strike, okay? So you have to know the aim of your target. You want to keep your hands, right now we're not trying to beat the shit out of this pad. You're trying to keep your hands heavy and relaxed and really work on a whipping motion in your body. Okay, so the motion is going to be Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai. Here, sit down. This motion, Pi, Pi, Yao San. In this motion, it's going to be this way. Here, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai. On the pad, it's like this. Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi. Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai, Pi, Yao San, Chuan So, Pai. 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 Traveling, it looks like this. Step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3,